Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to the outdoor flight testing of the $50 drone from Eachine. This is a GPS camera drone with a claim 4K video and 5 GHz transmission and total size of micro SD card. I have high hopes for this drone, and today is the best day. Yesterday we had a big snowstorm in New England, and tomorrow rain and bad weather is coming. Today it is 28 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a little on the cold side, but at least the wind is only a couple miles per hour. And I have today 5 sources recording. This camera, my hat camera, my chest camera, my phone screen recorder, and then we'll be adding the drone camera to it. Hopefully I'll be able to accomplish this. So let's get started. First thing, you're going to turn on the drone by long pressing the button, and it's blinking, and then turn on the transmitter, and it should be good now. And I'm going to put it over on the helipad, and now using my phone I need to start or bind to the Wi-Fi of this drone. So it is searching probably. Here we go. That Wi-Fi 5G 4K GPS 220 is the correct one. It is connected. So let's go out and then start the app, which is Eachine TEC. Let's start the app. Yes, this is E520S. Go flying. Alright, it's asking, is it calibrated? Is the compass calibrated? No. So what I'm going to do is say no, and it's going to ask me to do the following. Rotate it like this a couple times. And we heard the beeping, so I can now rotate it vertically like this. And it beeped again. So the compass has been calibrated. I'm going to start recording the video by pressing this button on the controller. Nothing. Silly me, I forgot to insert the micro SD card. It is inserted now, and I adjusted the camera such that it's just looking slightly, maybe 20-25 degrees down, so we can get some views down, not just the horizon. And I'm checking my phone app, and it's saying GPS signal normal. Let's press this button to start the video recording and double check on the app. Yes, now it's saying card, it's recording to the card. GPS signal is normal, ready to take off. So let's do this. Alright, because that's GPS, it should stay where it is. And we don't have too much breeze today. It's like 3-4 miles per hour. And let's go a little higher. There's a little bit of a lag on the app, the way it's sending the video signal, I'm assuming. But I don't care too much. Let's rise it up high, go a little forward, and then do a little bit of a turning around. And let's see how our local park looks like, with the kids playing in the snow and sledding down the little hill. How does the video look? So I'm probably going to do one more video to give the final verdict after I have a chance to watch the videos, look at the pictures. Let's now test the return to home button. So this is the return to home. I'm going to press. It should go up to the designated height. I think it's like 20 meters or something. I haven't changed the settings. And then it should come back using its GPS close to where our helipad is. Let's see how accurate it's going to be. Right above us. I hope you can still see it from my hat camera. And the drone should be landing now, like coming down, because it reached the latitude and longitude. Yes, it is coming down now. And I should be ready to press the emergency stop if it is not landing right on top of the helipad, because there's some snowbanks. I would like to be able to stop the propellers. It is coming pretty close. It is coming pretty close. Nobody. Okay, I'm going to... So what I did was I pressed the emergency stop for like 2 seconds. It came down. Of course, it wasn't the best idea because I got a little bit of snow, but it will blow off. Okay, so that was good. It says just within a couple inches, like less than a foot probably. Very nice in terms of GPS performance. Let's start it again and do a one key takeoff by itself. Let's check the app. Yeah, it is showing, and then I'm going to rotate it a little bit so I get a little bit of a footage. I'm already freezing a little bit. Let's go up a little bit. Yeah, the only thing missing on this one, which the other one, the E520 Pro has, is that servo installed camera. The other one has, you can change the angle. On this one, you can change it once you land it manually. So how does the video look? Unfortunately, of course, I cannot use my phone on this little flimsy phone holder, so it is just sitting next to me on this little tripod. But we are losing light, so I'm going to stop the video now. Let's press again. So it stopped, and then take a couple pictures. I pressed, yes, I think it took a picture. Let's get a little closer. And it's very stable, by the way. It is like dead stable. It just has been sitting. I'm just giving a little bit of a forward control to bring it closer. And it is a wide angle view. So let's bring it a little closer, because otherwise I'm just going to be very small. And take another video. I'm sorry, the picture. And I'm looking at the app, and it took another picture. Let's now go up and then take a couple pictures of the park below. Yeah, it is just updating on the app. There is some latency. Let's go even a little higher, and there is actually a lake over there, and then I'm just checking. Maybe I can. I think it may have reached. Oh no, maybe it's the. Okay, let's take a picture because it's coming down already. I'm getting an alarm, and I'm checking battery power is low, 29%. So I could have put it to a lower one, but let me start taking the video again, because it should be able to fly still. I think at 15% it's just going to come back by itself. Let's rotate it, and then like a couple flybys. I'm going to increase the speed. This is the fast speed, but it's not flying fast because the battery is low. So, but I'm just going to do a couple flybys. Here we go. And it's a very cold day today, so it's my fault. I didn't have time to fully charge the battery on a cold day like this. Is not good, because I didn't want to lose the light. It is already I think 4 p.m. and the sun is setting, so it is, I think, time to land. But I think this was enough, and I will be doing probably another review on a better day with a full fresh battery. But so far I'm really impressed with this little, or not so little, drone. Okay, just hold down the altitude left stick down for two seconds, and it will turn off after landing. So this is great. I think we have a winner, and I am glad now that I ordered another one for my princess, for my niece in Austin, Texas. She should be receiving in a couple days, and hopefully she's going to have a ball. She's 11 years old. She wanted to get into a new hobby, and this is a perfect hobby. She wanted to take a camera, but this is a camera drone. She can fly and take pictures and videos while practicing on a cheap drone not a Mavic Mini, which it costs at least $300. So here it is, folks. We'll have another video just for the final verdict after I have a chance to review the pictures and videos. But so far, for $50, a camera drone with GPS and all these functionality is great. And the bonus is it has a micro SD card. Not all drones this size have micro SD card at this price point. So very happy. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.